Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalik, so you guys could call me Shelly or Rosario, whichever you prefer. In this video, I am doing a very necessary declutter and organize and clean with me in my makeup room, and it's also my office. So if you like these type of videos, just keep on watching. And this video is also in collaboration with Crystal, and you guys should really check out her channel because she is amazing and she does a lot of clean with me's and cook with me's and grocery hauls and everyday lifestyle for the mom life. So you guys definitely just go to her channel after you check out mine and view her declutter and clean with me of her makeup area. So yeah, you guys should really just go check out her channel. She is a great person. She always responds and she's just very motivating and very nice, just in general, nice person. So you guys definitely should check her out. So as you can see in the very beginning of this video, how a mess my area became. I don't know, guys. I guess just life in general just takes over you, and then next thing you know, you just have a nightmare of an area. And yeah, I was pretty much working and doing my makeup with such a mess. And yeah, just keep on watching and you'll see the end result. I am actually going to redo my office slash makeup area because I'm not really feeling this whole L-shaped desk. I honestly thought it was going to be bigger when I bought it off of Amazon, but it came like really tiny, so I'm not very happy with it. But I am going to still keep that L shape and just make it its own office area, and then I'm going to separate my makeup area. I don't know why I thought maybe having office slash makeup area combined on the same desk was going to be beneficial, but honestly it just creates more of a mess and more of a clutter. And yeah, I'm definitely not feeling how I have my office slash makeup place, how it's set up. So eventually I will redecorate this, and obviously I am definitely going to record this whole process of just redoing everything pretty much. So this is actually my second attempt to try to clean this room. Obviously you guys see an outfit change, so yeah, this is the second day, and the first day I wasn't really feeling it, but I got it done. I can't be the only one that has a junk drawer that's filled with papers that you really don't need, like bills and coupons and just a bunch of unnecessary paper. Yeah, I definitely have a lot of paper floating around in my apartment. I even have like a little junk tub thingy that it has a bunch of papers I don't even need from years ago that I have to shred. So eventually I am going to need to shred a lot of paper. I actually need to get myself an Alex drawer because this one is just like hot mess. The first one doesn't pull out all the way, and the very last one doesn't close. So it's like I had to go buy a new one. But you know, who really wants to spend $80 or $100 or how many? I don't know. I don't remember how much it cost. But who wants to spend that kind of money on a drawer, Alex thingy, whatever, to have it break again? But yeah, eventually maybe I could fix it or put it apart. But you guys know IKEA things sometimes is a little bit difficult to be putting together, and I have no patience for that. So this black thing is actually a makeup case that I got a few years ago from my sister for Christmas, and As you guys know, I keep repeating myself, but I am a photographer, but I also do people's makeup. So just the other day, I had a wedding to do, and she wanted me to do her makeup. So I have all the makeup I bring to my client's house in that little black container. As you can see, that it's not very organized inside. I do have to buy like little compartments to add in this big black, I guess, makeup case, you guys could call it. And yeah, that's what that hot mess is in there for, and why I had all my makeup inside. So I had all these bunch of lipsticks. I actually got it from my best friend because she was decluttering her makeup place, and I was like, "Girl, give me all those," because my clients sometimes like reds and browns and all those bright other colors. I'm mostly like a nude or a pink type of lipstick wearer, so I didn't have a lot of those several colors in lipstick, so I definitely wanted them just for my clients, and that's why I have so many. I actually bought this acrylic makeup organizer, I guess you guys could call it, and on Amazon. So I thought it was great for all my blushes and my highlighters and my mascara, just to keep it all organized. So eventually, when I get my room ready, I am going to do a room tour. So if you see any items in this video that you liked and wondering where I got them at, just let me know in the comments below and I will let you guys know. I would link it in the description below. However, it's going to take me a longer time to actually post this video. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick like run through of what I just did to clean it, because I need to clean and declutter first before I actually start redecorating. So stay tuned for that video. It will probably be in like September, but yeah, it's coming. And in the next few minutes, it's just me putting everything all back together. And then finally, I just start actually cleaning around the room. And yeah, thank you guys for watching at least this far. Just to let you know, I am going to do a giveaway at the end of the month. So if you guys haven't already, please follow me on Instagram at Styled by Rosario. I will greatly appreciate it because you guys will be updated on Instagram when I'm going to be posting a giveaway, because yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching, and I want to give something back to you guys for watching me and, you know, not judging me and being so kind to me. And yeah, thank you for watching. Just a little side note, I know in a lot of my videos I always adjust my bra, and not my bra but my bra strap and my glasses, because when I got my glasses about 2 years ago, I stupidly did not ask them to tighten up the area where it holds like near my ear, so they slip off really easily, and I actually broke them one day when I was in Target just trying to do my shopping, and I looked down and it flew off my face and it broke. So I actually have it, I guess, have little tiny glue put together. But yeah, that's why I keep adjusting my glasses. Eventually I'll get a new one. And I did lose about 32 pounds, and none of my clothes fit, and that includes my bras, so my bra straps are loose. So I just wanted to let you guys know. You probably didn't notice, you probably did, and you probably didn't care, but I still wanted to let you know why I kept adjusting my glasses and why I keep on adjusting my bra straps. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and remember to check out Crystal's channel when you guys are done viewing mine, because she's doing a video just like this, and she will greatly appreciate it, and so will I, and you guys won't regret it because she is such a lovely person. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, if you haven't already, please subscribe and also hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.